In this video, I'll guide you through how to log into your Agoda account step by step. Whether you're getting ready to book a trip or just want to check an existing reservation, staying signed in makes everything faster and easier. I'll walk you through the process on both the website and the mobile app and share a few tips along the way so you don't run into common issues. First, let's start by opening Agoda. If you're on a computer, open your preferred web browser and type the Agoda website address into the address bar, then press enter. Wait for the homepage to fully load before doing anything else. This helps make sure all the login options appear correctly. If you're using your phone or tablet, find the Agoda app icon on your home screen or in your app list and tap to open it. If you don't see it, you may need to install it from your device's app store before continuing. Once the website or app is open, look for the sign in option. On the website, this is usually found at the top right corner of the page. It might simply say sign in, or you may see a small person icon or profile icon next to it. Click that to open the login window or panel. On the mobile app, you'll typically find sign in either on the main screen or under a profile or menu icon, often in the top right or bottom navigation bar. Tap sign in to move to the login screen. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email and password. Type the email address that you used when you created your Agoda account. Make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end and double check for any spelling mistakes. Then in the password field, carefully enter your password. Passwords are case sensitive, which means that uppercase and lowercase letters are treated differently. So be sure your caps lock key is off if you're on a computer, or that your phone keyboard isn't automatically capitalizing the first letter. If you're on a personal device like your own laptop or phone, you may see an option to stay signed in or remember your details. Only use this on devices you trust, never on a shared or public computer. If you ever forget your password, look for a forgot password link on this same screen that will guide you through resetting it securely. After you've entered your email and password, go ahead and click or tap sign in. Give it a moment to process. If the details are correct, you'll be taken to your account area, where you can see your bookings, save places, and account information. You might notice your name or an account icon at the top of the screen, which confirms that you're logged in. If you get an error message instead, don't panic. Carefully retype your email and password, watching for typos, and try again. If it still doesn't work, that forgot password option is usually the quickest way to regain access. And that's it. You've learned how to log into your Agoda account on both the website and the app, and you're ready to manage your trips with confidence.